It's a good morning, y'all. Today is July 23rd, 2026. And as you can see, we came back today. We did indeed come back. You feel me? Um, Today was pretty stupid simple. It wasn't my normal model, which I guess yesterday I was saying that I wanted to trade by my normal model. But since price action gave me an obvious entry, I just took it. And you'll understand what I mean in a second here. Um, I guess without further ado, let me get into the the trade today. As you can see, 5 cons here, 5 cons off here. That's about 716 to 6650. About 150 points, you feel me? All right. Um so what happened here is that Nasdaq dumped all night. Quite literally since actually all day yesterday it dumped. Since 6:40 of yesterday, we're dumping all the way through here. Oh wait, that was this morning. My bad, y'all. This is what yesterday's 650 macro looked like too. That's my bad. But yeah. So you can see since 11:23 or 11:30 of yesterday, we've been dumping, dump, retrace, dump, retrace, dump, retrace, dump, retrace, dump, and since 6:50 this morning, we've been dumping, and we dumped all the way into this 4 hour low right here that I had marked out. Show up that. It's also relative equal lows. These lows right here. Um, Came down, swept those lows. So after we swept those lows, I was like, okay, this is good. This is perfect because at 9:30 open, we're gonna sweep out these lows, and then we're gonna get a market structure shift, and then we could get a good entry to then rebalance to equilibrium of this price range. If we want to continue lower, that's fine. If we want to go higher, that's fine. But we do need to retrace. So that was my thought process coming into the morning. So price comes down. I'm watching the market at this point. I'm watching. We can create relative lows here, take out the low here, technically. But me knowing that this is a 4 hour low, and me knowing that this is, I'm basically just trying to tell you that this is an inefficient sweep. This is not a sweep of liquidity. This is a take of a low. We are going to create relative equal lows, go back higher, and then take out the sell side. So we did that exactly here. At 9:30 open, we came down, take out these relative equal lows, create an obvious swing low. We get our market structure shift here. And as soon as I see this and this, and I see we start retracing into this order block, I'm like, you know what? I might as well enter because this is possible long setup right here. Like a pretty easy long setup. So let's just do this then. Bang. Constant encroachment right there. If we go on to lower time frames, I bet there is some type of fair value gap entry. Yep. Bang. Inverse fair value gap entry to then go higher. Stop loss below this low. That's a beautiful trade. Being completely honest, I did not go on the 30-second time frame to look for a fair value gap. We have an obvious swing low, so that basically means on any lower time frame we're gonna have some type of fair value gap to then go into. But price just looked so clean that I was like, I might as well enter. It's crazy. It's crazy because I enter here, right? I'm down 190 bucks. My screen freezes. I take a screenshot and everything. I'm like, bro, top step freezing right now, and I'm in the middle of this 5 con trade. Like I'm about to lose the whole account. So I take a screenshot. I was about to send it to top step, but I think it was just my Wi-Fi, and they're not gonna um, accommodate that. So regardless, that doesn't matter. Got my coffee too on the side of the coffee. This just she gets me through. You feel me? Um, so this right here is a 4 hour or 1 hour For rally gap, we don't really need this. So, I mean, that was basically what I was looking for. We also, if you guys were here yesterday and you watched yesterday's video, you know that I was looking for 830 data highs and lows to be taken out. Yesterday was not today, so yesterday did not have 830 news candle, but this morning we did. We had unemployment claims come out at 8:30, so that's what this is right here. That's why I wanted to see this high get taken out. Take out these highs, enter this fair value gap, and guess what? We don't. I'm honestly so glad I got this long because these shorts, I have nowhere to short in here. Market share shift just now. This is not enough retracement to do anything with. Hold up, sorry about this, y'all. I'll get back into the trade here in a second. Oh, I guess it is 0.25. I'm not answering off that, but what I was saying is, okay, so I enter, this is what happens now. I enter longs right here. I can't see anything, but it doesn't matter. Let's just talk about what price is doing. So let's actually move this to right here, because this is our first presented for value gap. This would have been a good entry too. I think this was ICT's entry was right here. And we didn't rally up higher, tap -1 standard deviation. I had a good feeling that we wouldn't have much of a retracement because of how we closed on -1 standard deviation. We really did close the body on top of it, which is pretty good to see for a continuation higher. We come down, don't even tap into this. Do we tap into this for rally gap? I think we do actually. We do. Okay. So we come down, there's also volume bound, so we've been in this. So it should look something like this. Tap into the fair value gap. Then we rally higher, going all the way up to -2 standard deviation. I took out my profits just a little earlier just because I could only get to 1500 on the day. So that's why I took off earlier. I'm in no way in hell can I be upset about a day like today. I predicted where price would go off 930 open. I gave you the price points of where we would reverse off of. I mean, it's pretty bread and butter of according to like what I study ICT wise. This is exactly what we should be looking for. Right now, let me see. There might be. I don't really know what we're gonna do from here. I mean, we invalidated this 5 minute. And we're retracing back up to -1. This is gonna be insane. Okay, no, I didn't think so. But now that that's over, we could check negative standard deviations on this price leg. Let's do it. Oh, we haven't even got to -1 yet. Most likely, we're gonna go in here. We should respect this for rally gap. If we want to go lower, we should respect this for rally gap. Fair value gap. It's also first presented bearish for rally gap, so that's also another reason we want to respect it. It's just for shits and giggles. I wouldn't want to see it go above here. To be honest, price could want to continue higher. It's this bullish rally gap, so technically my stop loss, according to all my rules, would have to be up there. Thank goodness we have already taken our money for the day. That's still 2RR trade. And the best thing is once price starts to reverse, you can move it down and enter more. So like right here is a possibility to be like, oh, I don't know, it might. Thing is, we on the same thing closure basis, we did close above constant encroachment, which does warrant for higher prices potentially. We have this inverse. Let's see what happens here. But for video's sake, that was the entirety of the video. I hope you guys learned something. That sometimes price just reacts off of basic what do you say? Like basic viewpoints or basic levels. I guess it can react off basic levels and you can get entries off basic levels. Like just I literally entered off of a 4 hour liquidity sweep and a retracement to that price range. And my stop loss would have been down here. That simple. I've seen this model so many times at 9:30 in the morning. I don't take it normally because it's not my model. But today it was pretty obvious because of how much we were selling off. So me knowing that we want to rebalance, we swept out an important low, get a market shift on the 1 minute, retracement on the 1 minute, entry on the 1 minute, TP on the 1 minute at data highs. That's it. I hope y'all enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys are doing all right. Let me know in the comments if you did learn anything or if you want to just say what's up. That'd be cool too. I always reply. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. God willing. Until then, deuces, y'all.